Hey everyone, welcome to Sandy Escapes. Today, we're taking you on a walk through one of Thailand's most beautiful and lively beaches. Patong Beach. Walk from the stunning ocean views to the vibrant beach culture. It's going to be an incredible tour. Stay with me for this full experience. Look at that view. The soft sands, clear water, and swaying palm trees make this place feel like a tropical paradise. Whether you're here to chill or explore, Patong Beach Walk has everything you need for the perfect day. As we head down the beach, there's so much going on. People are out having fun, whether it's water sports, sunbathing, or just hanging out. It's the ideal mix of energy and relaxation. And of course, Bikini Beach has a unique fashion scene. Swimmers and sunbathers really embrace the beach lifestyle here. It's a mix of fun, freedom, and just soaking up the good vibes. As we keep walking, you'll see plenty of beachside cafes and bars. Perfect for grabbing a cold drink, a snack, or even just lounging with a view of the ocean. Thanks for joining me on this walk through Patong Beach. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beach and travel tours. See you next time.